Hello, grade 7 learners. Our topic for today is all about evaluating algebraic expressions. When we substitute a specific value for each variable and then perform the operations, it's called evaluating algebraic expressions. Let's take an example. Evaluate the expression -2 times the quantity 6x plus 10x minus 2x if x equals 1. For the solution, substitute the value of x. So the value of x is 1. We have -2 times the quantity 6 times the value of x, which is 1, plus 10 times, again the value of x is 1, minus 2 times 1. So kung mapapansin nyo, lahat ng x, pinalitan lang natin ng 1 kasi yun yung value ng x. Now simplifying our terms inside the parentheses, we have -2 times quantity 6 plus 10 minus 2. And then we have 6 plus 10 equals 16 minus 2, 14. We have now -2 times 14. So the answer is -28. Now in simplifying a numerical expression, we have to follow these steps. First, we have the letter P. So remove grouping symbols like parentheses, curly braces, or brackets by simplifying first the enclosed expressions beginning from innermost pair. Next, we have letter E. Simplify expressions with exponents. And we have M and D. Perform all multiplication and division from left to right. And A, S. Perform all addition and subtraction from left to right. So we have the acronym PEMDAS. So dito sa ating multiplication and division, kung ano yung mauna, yun yung unahin natin. Kung nauna si division, una muna natin i-perform yung division and then multiplication. Ganon din sa addition and subtraction. Kung nauna si subtraction, unahin natin si subtraction and then addition. Basta ang pinakahuli natin gagawin, the operation ay addition and subtraction. Now let us have example number 2. Evaluate the expression a cubed plus 2a plus 6 if a equals -3. So ang value ng ating a ay -3. So ibig sabihin, lahat ng ating a ay papalitan natin ng -3. Or isa-substitute natin yung value ni a. Now, substituting the value of a, we have now, yan, kung mapapansin nyo, lahat ng a pinalitan ng -3. So, -3 cube plus 2 times -3 plus 6. And then, perform the operation. Siyempre, sundin natin yung PEMDAS. Uunahin natin si exponent. At pwede rin natin isabay dahil nakapagod naman si multiplication, pwede na natin isabay. So -3 cube means -3 times -3 times -3. Ibig sabihin, tatlong beses dahil 3 ang exponent, tatlong beses natin i-multiply si -3 sa kanyang sarili. So ang makukuha natin dyan, -3 times -3 is +9. times negative 3 is negative 27. And then 2 times negative 3 is equal to negative 6. And then negative 6 plus negative 6, magiging 0 na siya. So the answer will be negative 27. Now let us take example number 3. Evaluate the expression Pn plus quantity n plus m squared if m equals 1, n equals 4, and p equals negative 3. Again, substitute the values of m, n, and p to all the given expression. So, substitute the value, syempre, papalitan natin si p ng negative 3, si n ng 4, at si m ng 1. So, we have now negative 3 times 4 plus quantity 4 plus 1 squared. So, simplifying the expressions, we have negative 3 times positive 4 is equal to negative 12 plus 4 plus 1 is 5. So, we have now 5 squared. So, dahil meron tayong exponent, PEMDAS, unahin muna natin si E for exponent. So, simplify the exponential terms. We have 5 squared means 5 times 5. So, we have now negative 12, rewrite negative 12 plus 25. Since we have different signs, negative and positive, so subtract the two numbers, negative 12 plus 25, we have now positive 13. Now let us have example number 4. Evaluate the expression a squared minus 2ab plus 3b squared if a equals negative 2 and b equals negative 1. Now, substituting the values of a and b, we have now negative 2 squared minus 2 times yung value ni a, negative 2, times yung value ni b, negative 1, plus 3 times yung value ni b, negative 1 squared. So, lahat ng a, pinalitan natin ng negative 2, at lahat ng b, pinalitan naman natin ng negative 1. And then, following PEMDAS, unahin ulit natin dahil meron tayong exponent. Unahin natin sa exponent. And kasabay na natin si parenthesis. So, si parenthesis at si exponent. So, negative 2 squared means negative 2 times negative 2. And then negative 1 squared means negative 1 times negative 1. So, negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. And then simplify din natin yung may exponent. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4 times negative 1, we have negative 4. And then plus 3 times negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. And then we have 4 minus 4 plus 3 times 1 is 3. And then nauna dito si subtraction. Based sa ating PEMDAS, addition and subtraction yung huling gagawin. Pero nauna si subtraction, so mag-subtract muna tayo. 4 minus 4 is 0, and then plus 3. So we have now 3 as the answer. Let us now have example number 5. Evaluate the expression 6xy minus 6 divided by 4 if x equals 1 and y equals 3. So again, substitute the values of x and y. Si 1 ipapalit natin kay x, si 3 ipapalit natin kay y. And of course, our operation is 6 times x times y. So multiplication. So 6 times 1, the value of x, and the value of y is 3. So we have 6 times 1 times 3 minus 6 divided by 4. Then unahin muna natin yung parenthesis. 6 times 1 times 3 is 18 minus 6 divided by 4. And then 18 minus 6 is 12 divided by 4. So our answer is 3. And now we have example number 6. Evaluate the expression 2x minus y if x equals 3/4 and y equals 1/2. So substitute the values of x and y. Sa x ay papalitan natin ng 3/4 and si y papalitan natin ng 1/2. So we have now 2 times 3/4 minus 1/2. So unahin natin si multiplication. 2 times 3 equals 6 over 4 minus 1/2. And since we can simplify 6/4 by dividing 6/4 by 2, we have 6 divided by 2 is 3 and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So ayan, meron na tayo ngayong magkamukhang denominator. So pwede na natin i-subtract. So 3 minus 1 is 2 and then divided by 2. So the answer is 1.